In this video, I'm going to show you 3 automated tools for Amazon sellers. Find the bot links in the video description. View the full example files from this video on the bot pages. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tool 1. Amazon Seller Search Tool. This online tool will find out which Amazon sellers offer your target product. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Amazon Seller Search Tools page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more product ASIN codes. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Amazon sellers to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. The bot has exported a list of Amazon sellers that offer your target products. Tool 2. Amazon Seller Products Extractor. This online tool will export a list of products offered by an Amazon seller. Select how many products you need to export. For example, 30. Enter the Amazon seller ID. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported the products and prices of this Amazon seller. Tool 3. Amazon Review Extractor. This tool will export Amazon reviews about your target products. Paste one or more product ASIN codes. Select how many reviews you need to scrape. For example, 50. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported reviews about your target Amazon products. Sign up on Botster and use these smart automated tools for Amazon sellers. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.